Alongside Andre McNeese, I'm Robert Gom, and we're here from Troy Gymnasium as the Cortland Red Dragons are set to face the Potsdam Bears in a SUNYAC Conference matchup. A long three attempt will be good from Zach Adams. Estremonte on the wing. Marquise Lee looking to set up his offense again. He'll go around to Zach Adams' screen. And Estremonte will put up a three as the shot clock was down to 5 on that one, and he'll hit. Potsdam pushing the ball here early as Lamar Heron takes the ball right away from Zach Adams. He's going to look to go coast to coast here. He's going to get an and one.
He's able to get the easy two.
Blair Starfa controls it for Cortland. He finds Shane Martinez in the corner who will try a three, and that's good. So Shane Martinez continues his hot streak. He's got SUNYAC Conference and three-point percentage of 43.3%. Paul Burke will try the three. That's good. Paul Burke works around the screen from Graquan Carter, but the ball is stolen. Nice hustle there by Burke to come up with the ball for Cortland.
It's a good hustle.
And Blair Starfa hits his first three of the night in transition there.
That's what it is. It could have been a 2-point swing for Potsdam, but he hustled.
End up being 3 points for Cortland. The long three from Tom Graff is good. Tom Graff to Estremonte. Cortland defense here looking very good, not allowing Potsdam anything on the inside.
Portland changed it up to a 2-3 defense opposed to man.
Blair Starfa going to meet the shooter Tom Graff, but he's too late. 3:47 left to go. Portland takes over up 12. Morales to Heffley, he'll try a three. That's good. Heffley after hitting 4 threes in the loss versus Plattsburgh. Long three taken by Rashad Hendricks, that's good.
3-point pass.
Graquan Carter wide open for the three. That's good. TJ Heffley will try a three. Again, no good. Shane Martinez, great job collecting the offensive rebound. He'll put it in for two. Heffley will use a screen from Correll Joseph, who will try a three. That's no good. Heffley able to haul in the offensive rebound. Heron will try the three. That's good. Bit of luck there on that roll. Matt McGowan on the perimeter, hands it off to TJ Heffley. He'll try a long three. That's good. So another three ball for Cortland. Carter had 7 points in the first half, and he'll get a steal there. So another Bears turnover will turn into what Cortland hopes of some points here as Terrence Felder will try a three, and that's good. The Cortland bench going wild. Michael Kelly finds Terrence Felder. Felder's thought about the three, passes to Graquan Carter. Michael Kelly will try a three. That's good.
Michael Kelly for three.
Passes to Kyle Santoro. Rashad Hendricks. Santoro controls it. And the long three from Tom Graff is good.
For number 23.
Glasgow passes to Lucky. That pass is tipped away, but hauled in by Golden. Pass. 3-point attempt from Michael Kelly, so that's his second. Shot clock will be turned off as Cortland is just going to dribble this one out here if they can. That's looked like what it's going to be. So the final will be 87-61 if all stands here. And Cortland will pick up a much-needed win in the SUNYAC Conference.